Hello, class. This program, this is an online program. It's free. You can pay for the service if you like, but I find it very, very useful. So instead of using the Photoshop or any paid editing program, this is actually free. You can sign up for it, but I'm using it completely free. I don't even have to sign up. So it's called Pixlr.com, and where you are there are three different tools you can use. Quick and easy design, start photo editing project, uh, or you do using Photo Match Studio or one-click visual creator. This is actually designed for Instagram, for more social media. So if you want to, let's examine all of them. I go start quick design here. This is, you see, I've done this before. And you have the premium you don't want to pay for. Add the image and go for it. It's pretty much the same. And the last one is make visual assets. Let's see. So, this is good to have other, this is what you use for Instagram. So if you want to do something similar to that, you can use that template. I'm not going to do this. I'm actually going to work with the photo editing, pattern design maker. So I'm going to look for images, find the right images. You can have multiple images. You have to create a mask layer for the image. We'll find some PNG image that has a transparent layer already, and I will explain what those are anyways. So I'm gonna pause trying to look for the images, and I will explain to you what that PNG image is with the transparent layer. So I'm gonna first look for Highline College image. Then I'm gonna see if I can put myself in there. So I'm gonna look for images. This actually for a good one here. Maybe not, look at this. I'm gonna download this one here. This is too small. Let's go for something a little bit bigger. Okay, so this is, oh, that's not what I want. Let's go back here. Let me tell the system I want a large image. So I'll go to color, file size. I want a large. So at reading lies, I want something big. I'm gonna go for this one here. I'm gonna right click and save it. Save image as. I'm gonna leave it in here. Let's call it Pixlr. And save it in there. And just keep it the Highline College campus. I don't want the whole thing right there. Make it easier. Then I'm gonna look for probably a photo. I'm gonna find a photo of mine, and then I'll share with you what I've done with it. So I downloaded my photo from Facebook. You're probably familiar with that photo anyways. So I'm gonna open the first photo, which is my image, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to create that transparency. So I'm gonna use a lot of these tools right here to try to delete the background. So I can go ahead and select this area here and click delete. Same thing right here, click delete. Gonna keep selecting. It's not gonna be perfect, but guess what? It should be good enough. Again, it's not gonna be perfect as I said, but we're gonna try to make it as good as possible. You probably wanna change the so I'm gonna go and clean this up. I can also use the eraser. Let me hit click escape or click anywhere to get out of it. I can also use the eraser here. That's the heel. The eraser is right here. It's similar. This is very similar to what the Photoshop or the program I use is Infinity's Photo. So we can go ahead and delete this. The reason why I'm doing that because I want to create that transparency. So I'm gonna pause now, finish that transparency, and come back and complete. So what I'm doing is I can scroll up and down if you have Windows, Microsoft mouse, and I'm using the eraser right here. I can increase the size and decrease the size there. Again, it's not going to be perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and do that quickly. And if you overdid it, and I'll show you where I overdid it, you can actually redo it by actually using the heal tool. I know this information because I use Photoshop quite a bit, and I use different programs that has very similar uh, settings. So let me go ahead, let me see what I've done so far. So I'm gonna scroll up and down, make sure that I have right there. I see my pants is not quite what I wanted. So I'm gonna hopefully use the heel right here to bring it back. Here we go. As much as you can. Here we go. It's not, you can do Control Z to undo if you don't like it, and it should be fine. Anyways, so now I'm gonna save this one. Let me go ahead and erase this a little bit more. You can let me decrease that a little bit. Get a little bit more to the edges right here. I'm trying not to be perfect. Let me resize this. This is good enough. I'm gonna save that one as a PNG with the transparent. So I'm gonna go File, Export to PNG, and I'm gonna click where I saved it before. Pixlr. I'm gonna say here, it's just Sam PNG. Okay, so this is fine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and close it. I'm gonna open another one. So I'm gonna open a new image. That one, the Highline College. I'm gonna put myself in here. I'm gonna open the other image. I should have just kept it open right here. I'm gonna Control A, highlight all of it, Control C, copy. You can also use these tools right here, but I like to use my other ones. Then Control V to paste. All I have to do now is just resize it, resize myself using the fill handler, and look at that. So I'm already here. Let me put myself here. Now I'm done. All I have to do, just you can go ahead and increase it. I'm gonna save that as a save the image, high resolution, save as. I want to do JPG. I want to say here with Sam. So I'm gonna click save, close it. Okay, let me see if I did it correctly. I'm gonna go into Pixlr. So I'm gonna go to desktop. That's grading Pixlr, and this is with Sam. And there you go. Beautiful. Okay, I hope you can do that for your final projects, for your Instagram, for your Facebook, for Twitter, whatever you like. Bye bye.